Alright, hey everybody, what's going on? It's a special day today. I'm holding in my hand a Nimlioh Avocado. This is a special avocado. It's a historic variety, and it's a beautiful piece of fruit. It's a fantastic avocado, and this is something that I've been working on trying to get for many, many years, and I'm very happy to finally have it and to hold it in my hand. We're gonna do a taste test, of course, and I'll let you guys see what this variety is all about. I'm gonna start doing more videos about this because I think it's a very special and a very important variety that doesn't get the attention that it deserves. I don't know why, because it's excellent fruit, and I'm gonna try to publicize it and let people know about it because it deserves recognition. Now, this is June. This is Southern California. This is Zone 10. This avocado fell off my tree just a few days ago, and it's ripe, and I know it's ripe, and but it's rock hard. You can't do the squeeze test on this avocado, and I think that's one of the main reasons why it never became more popular commercially. That you can't do that squeeze test, but it does turn black as it ripens, just like the Hass avocado. This variety was brought over to California over 100 years ago. Wilson Popenoe, he was an agronomist and adventurer. He went to Guatemala and he located this tree. By the way, I believe the mother tree was 80 feet tall, and he took scion wood, and then he sent it up here to California. It became relatively popular, but then it fell out of favor because by the way, this is the smallest Nimlioh avocado I've ever seen that's actually ripe. They usually get double the size. If you can believe that, they get double the size. And let's look at some fruits here for reference. Here's a Nabal avocado next to it. And usually Nimlioh gets much, much bigger than the Nabal. And then here's a standard little Hass avocado that you get at the grocery store. And then here is a little avocado cuke. And then here's one of those yellow mangoes that you can get at the grocery store. I just want to show these for size reference. Yeah. So these get huge. You know, you can feed your family, your friends, your mom and dad, your brothers and sisters, and everyone. You still have some left over. And that's probably one of the reasons, another reason why it never became so popular. I'm going to show you guys how to test its ripeness. You basically have to take a toothpick and then insert it right here into the top part where the stem was attached to the rest of the tree. And look, it's going in really, really easily. So that means it's ripe and it's ready to eat. If it slides in just nice and easy, that means it's ready to eat. Then that's how you know that this variety is ripe. Let's open it up. Let's do it. I'm excited. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Huge seed, huge seed. And that's what it looks like. Look how thick the shell is. It has a thick, thick shell. This would be a really good fruit. You could ship it. You could probably throw it around. It could take some damage and it'll still be standing. Let's taste test this. I haven't tasted a Nimlioh avocado in over 6 years, so I'm excited. It's been 6 years since I've had this variety. It's really, really good. Really dense, really oily. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. No fibers. No fiber at all. Really creamy, really oily. It could have stayed on the tree a little bit longer, but it's still really, really excellent. This variety hangs on the tree at least 1 year before it's ready to pick. And that, folks, is the Nimlioh avocado. The Nimlioh. A lot of people ask me about this variety. I'm working on distributing scions for folks. I'm grafting this tree as much as I can. I have a bunch of avocado seeds over there growing out. Once they get big enough, I'm going to graft onto them. And I'm working on trying to get as many different varieties as possible. This right here, actually, this is a Lyon Avocado. I'm working on trying to get scion wood for this. This is another historic variety. This is one of the first varieties that was popular in California back in the early 1910s and 20s. This variety was one of the ones that contributed to the avocado's popularity in California and around the world. A lot of people actually believe that this Lyon is the mother of the Hass avocado, and this turns black as it ripens as well, and it has pebbly skin just like the Hass avocado. So it might be the parent of the Hass avocado. There's really cool varieties like this all around, and I'm working on trying to get them more available to folks in the public. All right, so stay tuned, stay patient, and we're trying to make it happen. Nimlioh avocado, excellent fruit, and I'm gonna plant that seed because it makes good rootstock. A big fat seed like that makes great rootstock. All right, folks. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe. Let me know how your avocado trees are doing. And as always, thank you for watching.